Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Martin Gina by Polo G. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for lessons from this artist and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos and tab downloads. Enjoy! So for this song, we're going to tune the E string down to an A. So it'll sound like this. And the first part I want to show you is the intro. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So this starts on the tuned down low E string. We're going to start on the 4th fret, then 2nd fret A string, then 2nd fret low E string, open low E string, 7th fret low E string, then 4th fret low E string, then 7th fret A string, then 2nd fret low E string, open low E string, 7th fret low E string. And I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. Now for the riff that plays throughout the rest of the song. It's made up of 2 guitars. I'm going to show you the first riff first, and then I'll break it down for you. So this starts on the 4th fret of the A string, then 5th fret B string, then 4th fret G string, and you're going to hammer on to the 6th fret of the G string, then 4th fret G string again, then 2nd fret A string, 4th fret D string, open A string, then we're going to go back to the 4th fret of the A string, 5th fret B string, 4th fret G string, you're going to hammer onto the 6th fret of the G string, then 5th fret B string, then we're going to do exactly what we did before. And I'll play it for one more time. It sounds like this. Now for the other guitar. Now for the other guitar during the main riff. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So the other guitar doesn't come in for 6 quarter notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Then you're going to go to the 7th fret of the high E string, and you're going to hammer on to the 9th fret. Then you're going to pull off to the 7th fret, then 9th fret B string, 7th fret B string, 9th fret G string, then 7th fret high E string 3 times, alternate picking. Then you're going to go to the 7th fret of the B string, 9th fret B string, then 9th fret D string, and you're going to hammer on to the 11th fret of the D string, then pull off to the 9th fret, then 11th fret A string, 9th fret A string, 7th fret A string. And it repeats, and I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Martin and Gina. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe for lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerhelp.com for more videos and tab downloads. Thanks.